Hello, it's 1977 XL75 here, and it's snowing outside. Mom, I know that my soup is getting cold. Yeah, it's snowing out. We have a winter weather thing, Bob. We're supposed to get like 6 to 10 inches, which I'm very happy about, because then that means snowmobiling. Snowmobiling means new videos and such. So yeah, there's that. Over there, and I'll get a better look over here. There's about an inch, maybe an inch and a half fallen so far, so here. It's all like sleet stuff, so it's a little icy out, and it's about 13 degrees, so yeah, and that's it, yeah.